and welcome to Storyboard That. My name is Liane, and today I'm going to show you how you can manage your students within your teacher dashboard. As you can see, I am on the main page of my dashboard, and up in the top right-hand corner are my students and classes. Click on Manage Students, and from this page, you can view all of your students' information and make administrative changes. You can sort the list of students by clicking on the table headings like so. And you can also click on the name of an individual student to view that student's storyboards. From here, you can see the student storyboards that they created from an assignment that you've given them, and also storyboards that they've created on their own, as indicated by no assignment underneath the title. Jumping back to the Manage Students page, you can see that on the right, there are settings buttons for each student. Click on Settings and you can see the individual in more detail and make any changes that you need. For example, you could change the student's name, which is the name that is displayed. You could change the username, which is the unique ID for the student, and you could change the password. To make those changes, you simply type in the field and click Update. Please note that students can change their own password, and any password set by an administrator is visible to other administrators, but passwords set by students are not. Since Storyboard That does not store student email addresses, we cannot auto reset passwords. However, you as the teacher do not need to know the student's old password to change it to a new one. If the student needs to be deleted, you can click this red button here. A student, once deleted, cannot be recovered. And once they are deleted, all of their storyboards are deleted as well. There's no undo for this action. So if you need to delete students at the end of the year and the students want to save their storyboards, we suggest that they download or print their storyboards first. If a student was mistakenly in the wrong role, such as a teacher, you could change that role here and revert them back to a student. And you can also see which classes your student is enrolled. So you could remove them from that class, or if there are other classes available, put them in there. And when you are all set, you just click All Set. If you would like to export or download the student's information, you can do so here with these different formats. And if you would like to bulk delete students, you can click on Enable Delete Student under the list. And then you would select the students that you would like to delete, or you could select all of the students and click the red bulk delete button. Be sure to verify the information and then click yes, delete these students, or no, I do not want to delete these students, which I will do now. And that is how you manage your students' information from your teacher dashboard. Thank you for watching and happy storyboarding.